In this video, I'll show you how to make symmetrical sentences. When a sentence is symmetrical, there are two parts to the sentence, and each part resembles the other. I see, and in the middle here, I'm going to use a word like what, but you can use who or where or how. There are many different words you can use in this position. I see what you see. So the subjects are different, but the verb is the same. And this is what's very common in sentences that have this kind of symmetrical structure. The verb is repeated. I see what you see. But make the question, do you see? Do you see what I see? If I put this in the past tense, I saw what you saw. And in the form of a question, did you see what I saw? So these are in the past tense and these are in the present tense. We'll begin this sentence with Joe wakes up, and this will be about time. Joe wakes up when he wants to, and then I could just repeat this, when he wants to wake up. Or Joe goes, and this will be a place. Joe goes where, and then we'll use the pronoun here. He wants, and just repeat this verb, to go. Joe goes where he wants to go. He does, and then we'll use the word what. He does what he wants to, and then repeat here. This is in the infinitive. He does what he wants to do. Do you see how these sentences are symmetrical? One side balances the other. Joe wakes up when he wants to wake up. Joe goes where he wants to go. He does what he wants to do. If you put these into the past tense, then the verbs will change. For example, he woke up when he wanted to wake up, and this would be in the past tense. It is possible to take this off. Sometimes we'll just eliminate this verb here and end like this. He woke up when he wanted to, and then in your mind you remember that this is what would be repeated when he wanted to wake up. Or he went where he wanted to go. This is repeated. Here's the verb go, and here's the verb go. But we could take it off. He went where he wanted to. He did what he wanted to do. And once again, you can eliminate this and say he did what he wanted to. And sometimes you'll hear sentence like this, he did what he wanted. And you could do the same thing on all these sentences. He woke up when he wanted, he went where he wanted. You can also describe this part of the sentence as the adverbial clause. He did what he wanted. This describes the verb did. He went where he wanted. This describes the verb go, in the past tense went. And he woke up when he wanted. This is the adverbial clause describing the verb.